Today we start about the topic structure of structure of human alimentary canal. First, I would like to clear about what is alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is a kind of structure which is present from mouth to the anus. It means it is a pipe consisting a different structure, different glands, and different kind of digestive passages. These old pipe is completely known as alimentary canal. This is known as a complete alimentary canal where we can see that mouth and anus. Simply I can say that according to the if I would like to discuss about what is complete alimentary canal. If I would like to say about what is complete alimentary canal, if a canal have if a canal have two different, or we can say that have separate opening for entry and exit of food, for entry and exit of the food, exit of food. But in some animals, they have only one passage. They have only one passage for the entry, for the entry and exit of the food, exit of the food. So we can simply say that one passage for the entry and exit of the food. For a complete alimentary canal, we give example of humans and other kind of dead organism. And for the incomplete alimentary canal, we give the example of like flatworm. We give the example of flatworm like planaria and platyhelminthes. Planaria, platyhelminthes. These all are the organisms which is have where they have incomplete alimentary canal. If I would like to start about the human alimentary canal, human alimentary canal is a kind of canal which start from the mouth. So we start with the different part of the human alimentary canal. Different part of the human alimentary canal. Human alimentary canal. We start with that. If I would like to discuss about how it works and what is the kind of structure that have, we always have a prescribed diagram of human alimentary canal, and we start the diagram like that. We start the diagram human alimentary canal. We can start the diagram here like that. The human alimentary canal start with a passage. These passage, which is simply known as what? This is a cavity. This cavity is known as what? This is known as buccal cavity. In this buccal cavity, the anterior and forward part, this one that I am making here, this one, the forward anterior part, this is a hard part, and this is term is what? This the hard part. This is known as what? Hard palate. So actually we can feel that this is a hard part, and this hard part is termed as hard palate, and this is formed by bone. So this is a harder part. Posterior part, which is quite softer, this one, and this is known as what? This is known as soft palate. This is known as soft palate. At the surface of the mouth, there is a presence of tongue. There is a presence of tongue, which is a muscular structure like that. These muscular structure are very important This is known as what? This is known as tongue. Tongue basically helpful in providing us a speech manner because in our body voice is converted in speech with the help of tongue and lips. And what is the most important segment of the alimentary canal? Inside the alimentary canal, there is a presence of two kind of jaw. First, there is upper jaw. The first jaw present in the mouth is known as upper jaw, and second will be known as lower jaw. Upper jaw is mainly, we can say that fixed jaw. It means there will be a no movement, and lower jaw will be a movable jaw. Lower jaw will be movable jaw. With the help of movable jaw, food can come again and again between the teeth, and we are able to chewing our food properly. One more important thing that if I would like to calculate the teeth inside the jaw, because teeth play an important role in the body, I would like to start about the teeth. There are four kind of teeth present in our mouth. These are what? These are incisors. Next are canine. Next one are premolars. And finally there are molars. I can simply say that in our mouth there are four kind of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Each teeth is present at the surface of the mouth. First, incisor teeth will present, later on canine teeth will present, then premolar and then molar. If I would like to draw about the diagram of the jaw, upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. Upper jaw and lower jaw both are the jaw which is present inside the mouth. Half upper jaw and half lower jaw. This is the half upper jaw, and if I like to start about the structure of jaw, it start with that in our mouth the first teeth which appears is incisors, and this is known as incisors, then the sharpened canine, then premolars, and then finally the molar segment. So I can say that the first teeth will be what? This is incisors, this is canine, this is premolar, and finally there is the molar. Same with the lower jaw. In a human body, there are four different kind of teeth present inside the mouth. So we have a dental segment which is simply termed as what? Heterodont. Heterodont is a structure in which mouth have different kind of teeth present inside it, and these heterodont is very important because this is the unique feature of human body. Let's now discuss about how the teeth work and what is the actual number of teeth inside the body. We can distribute the number of teeth in twice the time in the body. First in mouth at the age of 5 to 8. At the age of 5 to 8 year, we have milk teeth inside us. We have milk teeth, and the number of milk teeth is presented by that half upper jaw teeth, half upper jaw, and similarly with half lower jaw, half upper jaw and half lower jaw. This is the representation of the digit. If I would like to represent the digit will be 2102, 2102. Upper part which is here, this represent the half upper jaw, and lower part represent the half lower jaw. So I would like to start about that. What is the actual number of incisors in mouth is 2 upper, 2 lower. What is the actual number of canine in mouth? 1 upper, 1 lower. What is the actual number of premolar? 0 up, 0 lower. And what is the molars about? 2 upper and 2 lower. And if suppose that I would like to calculate the total number of teeth inside our mouth, if I would like to calculate about total number of milk teeth, total number of milk teeth in the body, how can I calculate? I would simply multiply 2102 formula with the 2. 2102 is multiplied by 2. I'll get the digit 4204, and later on I'll get the digit 4204. In upper jaw there are 10 teeth and in lower jaw there are 10 teeth. The total number of teeth will be 20. So these all are the teeth present inside our mouth during the age of 5 to 8, and these all teeth are known as milk teeth. Milk teeth will be, after the age of 5 to 8, replaced by permanent teeth. So we can simply write this term: milk teeth will be milk teeth will be replaced by milk teeth will be replaced by permanent teeth. Milk teeth will be replaced by permanent teeth. And suppose that if I'd like to start the dental formula of permanent teeth, suppose that I would like to start about the permanent dental formula. Permanent dental formula. And according to this formula, we can write that half upper jaw and half lower jaw. The digits will be 2123 and 2123. This is the half upper and this one is half lower. Half upper and half lower. If I multiply every digit by 2, what will be the actual number? Multiply each digit by 2 to get complete. It will be 4246 and 4246. Total 16 upper, 16 lower, it means 32. And in permanent, how many total number of teeth? Suppose that half upper jaw incisors will be 2 upper, 2 lowers, canine will be 1 upper, 1 lower, premolar will be 2 upper, 2 lower, and molar will be 3 upper and 3 lower. And in permanent teeth, we have a different segment of teeth which is present that. So I can say that from milk teeth to the permanent teeth, 12 numbers of teeth. In a milk teeth, we have only 50 teeth, and in a permanent teeth, we have 32 teeth. So how many new teeth will appear? We can give the data that will be only 12 new teeth, new number of teeth in permanent. Next, and again an important thing is that, so suppose that if I would like to start about the comparison of dental formula, if suppose that we have to compare the to compare milk teeth with permanent teeth, milk and suppose that if I compare molar teeth, I will compare only molar teeth. In milk teeth, the molars are 2 upper, 2 lower molars, and if I multiply it by 2, 4 upper and 4 lower. And in permanent, suppose that if I would like to calculate in permanent teeth, the molar will be 3 upper, 3 lower multiplied by 2, 6 upper, 6 lower. Here molar is 8, here molar is 12. So